I see the fear.
Everybody get on.
The shadows are calling us out. We are heroes, heroes in the darkest time, when there is no light. Oh, we are heroes, heroes in the darkest times, but we'll rise above. Oh, we are heroes.
Now the taking of a prisoner or a hostage that is reported in Mogadishu, Somalia. Major David Stockwell, a spokesman with UN forces there, joins us now on the line. Major Stockwell, can you fill us in? Has this in fact happened?
Hi, Jonathan. It's something that at this point we can't confirm, but we're not in a position to rule out that possibility.
U.S. forces is turning up.
Let's do it. Do it. Hey, hey. Not my Kevin Tran. I'm bringing this just for the. You guys ready to move to meth? We're gonna start moving down left. We're pinned between two forces, dude. There, we got an enemy right here. Let's go. Watch this white trailer. Grenade ready. Get a grenade ready on that trailer.
Keep a gun up on it.
Center right. Keep a gun up on it. Shoot for me.
Middle duckhouse, huh? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Middle duckhouse, top. Shots from the right to you, yep. See that duckhouse?
Back of the prowler. The back of this prowler. That's a motion on the back of this prowler. Go. Cover him. Look, Bodie, through that trailer, the one that usually has the couch in it, is hot. Hey, listen, we've got friendlies pushing the front of Village Wall right now. We want to try to take out the rock and this side over here so that we could kind of come up from behind. You understand?
I want to get through.
We got friendlies pushing Village Wall. We need to take that rock and come in with them. Grenade?
Yeah.
Who's going to be on my back? We'll grenade it?
I can follow you in. Yeah, I got
Where? In the trailer? In the trailer, it's hot. You guys lay down fire, we'll grenade it.
Alright, for that.
Just keep shooting at it.
Ready? On the way.
Bodie, you ready to light this up? Light it up. You're dead. Go. Clear in here. Moving left right here. Go. Go literally right out here. Yep. Go. We're still holding on that back of that prowler. Call it the first time, I won't hit you 5 times. Blind fire, motherfucker. Hit me, hit. Bro, good stuff. No, you didn't hit me anyway. Good stuff. Good. You guys got me. Good stuff though, dude. I saw the gun though coming up, man.
Oh, you're good too.
That was some good stuff, dude. Hey. Okay, where's our saw position, guys? Yeah. I want to come. Let's go. There we go. Yeah. Frag in. Keep on it. You're out. You're dead. I got left. You got him? It's coming at you. Yeah, you got frag? I got right. Yeah. You got any visible, Bodie?
I got visible.
Go. Nope. Try. You missed me, buddy. How did he miss me? I don't know, but you did. Friend. Clear, first room clear. Clear. Clear in here. Friendly, white. White. Behind the tank. Behind the tank, it's hot. Behind the front of that tank. Front of the tank is hot. Right here. No. Trust me, he's laying down on the other side. See? Told you. Nice job, dude. Yeah! Nice job with those saws, guys. Yep. Yeah, dude, the stream of BBs coming in that thing. Holy dude. We gotta try to bring it into the village now. There's a Mohawk 1 US team. We're just trying to find out what is the what's going on with the village. That's all. It's like a rain. Let it rain, Jeff. Let it rain. Make it rain, boy. Let's move on, boys. Understand? So we gotta get left and right while we make our way in.
I got left.
Let's do it! Let's go, yep. Left to take my right, I got left. Everybody get on. Watch that right, Cole. Watch right. Copy that, we'll use it. So lay some fire. Saws on the tower. Saws on that tower. Yeah, saw on that tower then. That's you. Keep his heads down. Keep the head down.
I don't have range.
Fall behind, dude. Jeff, fall behind so that you could keep a shield on this. Yeah, and then once we get up there.
Heads up, grenade!
Pull our dead. Get that other dead.
Help get it. You got it. Come on in. You're good.
Keep watching right. Watch your right. Guns up to the right. I got left.
Nice grenade, bro.
We got an LMG in there. To the right, to the right. Yeah, Hayden. He's in there. Red. Watch your left. I saw motion coming in through this dark patch of woods right here. You got any visual, Bodie? Follow these pictures. Yeah, we gotta get this up and going.
There's tape. You hit? Start. Okay. Let's game. Let's game. I hear the sound.
RPG! Got a Black Hawk down. Black Hawk.
We have to get our pilot out or what? What do we got to do? We have to pull our pilot out of there?
We got friendlies walking across the way.
Yeah. Pull our pilot.
Let's get him in. Can we take you? Let's go. Get him in. Exfil right now. Yeah. Pulling him in. Open that door.
We've got pilot. We've got pilot. If we go in foxhole. Yep. Go. Up. What's the situation up there, guys? So we got a battery. We have one man down. I come from you. Too many guys. We'll get into a hard line right here.
Do we just have to hold Firebase?
No, I believe now we have to bring. We've got our pilot. The pilot's been medic. We got to move the pilot, I believe, to the boathouse.
Oh.
It's a green trailer.
Push the road. Everybody's pushing road. We're going road. Road and in. You visual on that boat? Is it that trailer?
Two fucking guys right outside with both sitting about it.
Is any? No. Head. Bubber got me over here. Nice. Got it, Bodes? Yeah. Watch out, grenade! Grenade, get out of that room! Get out of that room! Get out of that room! Dude, you're looking at me, yeah!
I threw that.
No, it came out of the fuck. It came over the hill. Hill.
It's a fucking dud.
Well, either way, it's lucky it was, dude.
I threw the grenade. I thought you were
No.
I can't trust you now that you put people like that.
It came over the fucking thing, dude. Yep.
For fuck's sake.
That's it, buddy.
Yeah, that
That's
sucks,
how it's
dude.
done.